Hello to my viewers. Our topic today is about division of rational expressions. So I have 1 until 4. By the way, this math is intended for the grade 8 students. So for number 1, 24 CD over negative 4 C squared D squared. So divide 24 by 4. So this will be positive divided by negative. That will be negative 6. How about the variables? So C squared, so this will be C. Because when M is less than N, so it should be 2 minus 1. Same with the second variable with D. So 2 minus 1 is D. So that is the answer. So negative 6 over C over D. That's number 1 answer. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is negative 72 f cubed g cubed over 9 f fourth g. So divide first. 72 divided by 9. Take note this is negative. So the answer will be negative 8. And then when m is greater than m, so this will be f. And then m is greater than n, so this will be g squared. So the answer for number 2 is negative 8 g squared over f. Okay. Number 3. So I need to divide this one individually. So this will be 12 h cubed divided by 2h. Then minus 4h squared divided by 2h. Then plus h divided by 2h. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. How about the variable? This will be h squared because 3 is greater than 1. So it should be 3 minus 1 h squared. Then minus 4 divided by 2, that will be equal to 2. So this will be h because 2 minus 1, that is 1. So h1, or understood there is 1 in here. Then plus, cross out because they're the same. So the answer will be half. So therefore, number 3 answer is 6h squared minus 2h plus 1 over 2. That's number 3 answer. Now let's proceed to the last number, number 4. Number 4, the divisor is in binomial. So we need the long division method. So this will be this one. So my dividend is x cubed, then plus 11x plus 28. Okay, then the divisor is x plus 4. This is the basic solution how to solve the first quotient. So this one, the first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. So this will be x cubed divided by x. So this will be x squared. So I have here x squared. Then multiply. This will be x cubed. Then plus 4x squared. After this, we need to change the sign. This will be negative. This will be negative. So x cubed minus x cubed, that will be 0. Now we have different because 11x and this one is 4x squared. So just bring down negative 4x squared. Different exponent, right? And then copy 11x. Okay? So since my first term of my dividend is negative, so this will be negative also. So 4x squared divided by x. So this will be 4x. So this is 4x. And then multiply. This will be negative 4x squared. Then multiply negative 16x. Again, we have to change the sign. This will be positive. This will be positive. So negative 4x squared, positive 4x squared, it will be 0. This one will be positive. This one also positive. So 11 plus 6, this will be 27x. Then bring down 28. Then divide again the first term of the dividend, the new dividend, by the divisor, which is x. So this will be crossed out. So I've got 27. So this, since this is plus, this will be also plus in here. So 27 multiply 27x. Then multiply 27 times 4. This is 28 carry 2. 8 and 108. So this will be plus 108. Then we need to subtract. We need to change the sign. So this will be crossed out. So negative 108 take away 28. So this will be 0. And then this will be 8. So the remainder is 80. So the answer is, the final answer will be x squared minus 4x plus 27 minus 80 over the divisor, x plus 4. Okay, so that's the answer. Then we need to check this one. Okay, need to check this one. So to check, just multiply the quotient and the divisor. So quotient is x squared minus 4x plus 27. Then multiply by the divisor, x plus 4. So this will be x cubed minus 4x squared plus 27x minus, plus 4x squared. This will be minus 16x plus 108. 27 times 4. This is 28 carry 2. Yeah, 108. So this will be 108. So bring down x cubed. This will be crossed out. Then 27 minus 16 is, this is plus 11x plus 108. Since we have the, this is 108. Since we have the remainder, which is 80, so this will be x cubed plus 11x. This will be plus 28. So we come up with the dividend. So that's all for this topic.